हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एक्सप्लोर बायोलॉजी। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टॉपिक बैक्टीरिया। बैक्टीरिया वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय एंटोनी वैन ल्यूवेनहॉक in 1676. He called them as diarchons, that means small animals. Bacteria are microscopic, unicellular, means made up of single cell, simple prokaryotic organism found almost everywhere. Bacterial cell is a primitive prokaryotic cell that does not contain membrane-bound nucleus. Some bacteria are useful to humans, while some of them cause disease to humans. The smallest bacteria is Mycoplasma genitalium, which is a parasite, and the largest bacteria is Thiomargarita magnifica, which is up to 2 cm long. Characteristics of bacteria. Bacteria are small, microscopic, unicellular, prokaryotic organism. Bacteria are unicellular, that means made up of single cell, so divide by binary fission. Membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi body, and endoplasmic reticulum are absent. Bacteria lack true nucleus, so considered to be the primitive organism. DNA is circular, double-stranded, and not surrounded by nuclear membrane, hence called as nucleoid. Ribosome is 70S, which is made up of two subunits, 50S, the large subunit, and 30S, the small subunit. Cell wall of bacteria is made up of peptidoglycan or glycoprotein murin. Function of cell wall is to provide support, rigidity, and strength to cell. It also protects cell from bursting in a hypotonic medium, that means less concentrated medium. Plasma membrane, also known as cell membrane or cytoplasmic membrane, which is made up of phospholipids, protein and carbohydrates. It helps in transportation of substances, providing a mechanical barrier to the cell. Plasma membrane is semi-permeable in nature that allow the movement of only selected material in and out of the cell. Together, cell wall and cell membrane is called cell envelope. Outside the cell wall, a slime layer called capsule is present, which is made up of polysaccharide. It is used to stick the cells together and protect the cell from dryness and chemicals. Cytoplasm is the storehouse of all chemicals and components, which helps in cellular growth, metabolism, and replication. Ribosomes are made up of RNA and protein, which are the site of protein synthesis. Plasmids are extrachromosomal circular DNA material that is used to exchange DNA between the bacterial cells. Flagella, which is a rigid rotating tail, is present, which help in locomotion or movement. Short protein appendages smaller than flagella called pili are present that help in reproduction during conjugation. Bacteria reproduce both asexually and sexually. Asexual reproduction in bacteria takes place by binary fission, in which a bacterial cell, after reaching a certain size, splits, resulting in the formation of two daughter cells that have the same DNA as the parent cell. In sexual reproduction, there is the transfer of genetic material between two independent bacterial species, which is known as horizontal gene transfer or lateral gene transfer. This gene transfer occurs by three methods: conjugation, transformation, and transduction. Conjugation is simply the transfer of genetic material from donor cell to recipient cell. Transformation is the uptake of naked DNA by the bacterial cell, and transduction is a virus-mediated gene transfer method. This is the structure of bacterial cell. Bacterial cell has cell wall made up of peptidoglycan. Outside the cell wall, a slime layer called capsule is present that protect the bacterial cell from dryness and chemicals. Inner to the cell wall, cell membrane or plasma membrane is present. Inside the cell membrane, cytoplasm is there. Cytoplasm has circular double-stranded DNA molecule. that is not surrounded by the nuclear membrane, so it is called as nucleoid. Ribosomes are of 70s type that help in the protein synthesis. Mesosomes, which are the invaginations of cell membrane, are present. These mesosomes are analogous to the mitochondria of eukaryotes and help in carrying out respiration in the bacterial cell. Flagella is there for movement or locomotion of the bacterial cell. In addition to bacterial genome, extrachromosomal circular DNA molecule called plasmid is present that help in transfer of genetic material between the bacterial cells. A small appendages-like structure called pili are present over the bacterial cell that help in reproduction during conjugation. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology and it is a branch of microbiology. Thanks for watching the video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब